I'm Meenakshi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are solving another question of codezinger using JavaScript. Let's get started. Question is, we have to find all the prime numbers in the array. It means we have given an array of integer in which we will find all the prime numbers in this array. The array's elements are 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the array's elements. And 5 is the length of the array because we have 3 elements. First we will read the inputs here by the help of readline function which is already declared here. A is already read by readline function, and second we will read all the elements of the array. We are declaring a variable ARR in which I am invoking the readline function which is declared above. And if I pass this A and ARR in the parameter of solution function, which simply prints both the inputs A and ARR. If I call this function here in rest variable, and rest will be print here. Let's check the output. Yes, we have inputs, but you will notice here this is a string. First, we will convert it into an array to perform some operation here. To convert this string into an array, we are using a split method. Split method will convert it into an array. Yes, but for converting this a long string into character strings, we are passing this empty string as a parameter of split as argument as of split method. If I run this, yes, we have to removing the space here, we are passing space in as empty string in this split method. Yes, we have to convert this character strings into numbers. For converting this number, we are using map method in which I am passing number data type. It will simply convert every character string into numbers. Yes, we will perform operations or we will define a logic here to find the prime numbers. First, we will declare a variable to store every prime number. If let prime num is a variable in which I am assigning an empty array to pushing all the prime number. Then for accessing every element of the array, I am using for loop here. For let I is the variable which I declared in this for loop, which is initialized by 0, and it will run. The loop will run till the last element. It means the length of the array. Then for incrementing the value of I am using post increment operator here, in which I am checking the first prime number here. For checking the first prime number, I am giving a condition. We know that the first prime number is 2. If it is present in this array, we will console it. Yeah, we will push in prime number. If ARR I has 2, it means ARR of I is equal to 2. We will push this 2 in prime number as a first prime number variable, and for pushing the prime, I am using push method here, in which I am passing ARR of I. Then if both the if condition will be false, then the execution will be pass in else body, then in which I am declaring a variable flag in which I am passing false. Then for checking the other prime numbers, I am using another variable, another loop for in which I am declaring a variable j, which is initialized by 2 because 2 we already get 2. If it is present in this array, then it will also check all the ith value of array. Then for incrementing the value of j, I am using increment operator here. In this loop, I pass a condition by using if conditional statement. If ARR of I is divisible by j, it means after dividing j, after dividing ARR of I by j, it has remainder 0. Because we know that prime numbers are that number which is divisible by only 1 or itself. That's why we are using this conditional statement here. Then I will assign true in flag. Then for terminating this loop, I am using break keywords. Break will be terminate this loop. Then one first and second. Okay. We are checking another condition by using if conditional statement. If ARR of I not equal to 1. And second condition is by using AND operator, I am using both the condition. I am checking both the condition will true or not. If both the condition will true, it will simply run this code. Otherwise, it will terminate or skip this. And flag is equal to false. Okay, I forget it. This is the error. Okay. In this condition, if this condition will be true, we will push every element of ARR in prime numbers. By using push method, I assign every element of ARR I. Then at last, we will return this prime number. Two, three, five, seven. Output is here. Okay, but we have right output, but I don't need array. For removing this array, I am using join method here. It will remove this array. Yes, we have numbers, but we should have to remove commas between every element which are present For passing the empty string, it will remove. Okay, but we need space here. That's why I am passing a space here in empty string. If I run this, okay, we have required output. If I check all the test cases are passing or not, yes, this is the correct code for checking all the test cases or finding all the prime numbers which are present in this array. I hope this video will helpful for you. And if you have any doubts regarding this question, you can comment in a comment section. We will solve another question in another video.